In this video, we will see the best 6 repos to master Nextjs. Are you struggling in finding what to build projects something cool and unique in Nextjs? So here I bring some beginner-friendly repositories to get ideas. Let's explore then. 1. Ecommerce App. Digital Hippo is a modern full-stack e-commerce marketplace for digital products. Features are complete marketplace built from scratch in Nextjs 14. Beautiful landing page and product pages included. Custom artwork included. Full admin dashboard. Users can purchase and sell their own products. Locally persisted shopping cart. Authentication using payload. Learn how to self-host Nextjs. Clean, modern UI using Shadcn UI. Beautiful emails for signing up and after purchase. Admins can verify products to ensure high quality. 100% written in TypeScript. 2. Portfolio with Shadcn UI. Nextjs simple portfolio with Shadcn UI. Features are simple and clean. Nextjs 14 with TypeScript. Zod validation. Best Tailwind CSS uses. Fast and responsive. Resend for email sending. Best for beginners to learn. 3. Bio page link generator app. It's a short bio page creator app with Nextjs 13 and Zod, no database required. Features are learn the best use of Zod for validation. Nextjs 13 with TypeScript. Simple and responsive. No paid services required. It's a tool app. Best startup idea. 4. Sass Application. Saas Application, a collection of Nextjs components with documentation. Features are learn how to make a simple landing page. Nextjs 14 with TypeScript. Shadcn UI uses. Implement Nextra documentation. Framer motion for animation. Zod for validation. 5. Newsletter landing page. DevLetter, a newsletter for developers. Features are simple and clean. Mobile responsive. Nextjs 13 with TypeScript. React hook form with Zod. Cool snow animation background. Prisma ORM for database. 6. One more Saas App. A carousel maker app with editor in Nextjs. Features are fast and responsive. Simple and clean. Best startup idea. Build in Nextjs with TypeScript. Learn how to deal with images. How to convert images to PDF. That's it. I hope these projects can help you to learn and master Nextjs, and stay subscribed for more useful videos. Thank you for watching.